lay them out. It's like those little dudes right there are pretty good. I really like those things. But whatever you like. Go ahead.
I like these guns a lot.
All right, show it to us. Let's see what it is. Yeah, I like those too. Those are pretty good. Cool. Dig them out. You got more. That one's really nice too, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. This one is about one of the best ones that we have. And a lizard.
That's pretty nice too.
This one is a little poopy, but it's pretty cool.
It is. It does have a good cool factor. It's kind of ornery when it comes to actually having to do something with it.
This is a shotgun.
Good tried and true one. Very good. They're not the best, but it is pretty good. We use those a lot.
This is
the old single shot.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Just about got me.
That thing was loaded.
They all are. We load everything.
Oopsies. Oh.
Yeah. And then you got the nice, whatever that is.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, show us. Bring her up here a little closer. There you go. Got the good drum bed.
Mm-hmm.
That was pretty nice too. Takes forever to reload, but it's pretty fun while you shoot it.
Here is. Oh.
Now that one's cool. Why is that one cool?
Because it has this one has these mega darts. Like the best kind of darts.
That's right. But it can do what? It can shoot the little ones too, right?
Yeah. Right here.
Perfect.
Elite. Mega. Elite Mega. Mega. These are... This is a pretty cool one.
Zombie. What is it? The Z4, Z Strike, whatever that's called.
Yes, the Z Strike. This is... Oh, I don't want to do that. This is like a bow thing, a bow strike, but it does this a lot.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with it. It didn't really work. Might be the next candidate for checking apart and see what's wrong with it.
This is a combat slash.
It's a little cheapy gun, but it's pretty nice. It does all right. I was kind of impressed with it. I didn't expect much.
This is a Strike series quadrant.
Yeah, it's a Nerf N-Strike series, isn't it? Or AccuStrike.
Mm-hmm. I know this is a mess right here.
That's all right.
Oh.
Now that one there is really cool.
Yeah.
It's not like the best practical one, but it is very cool.
This is a Z double strike. We got anything else in here?
There's a lot in there. Be big. You can do the big one. I don't care what you do. Big ones, little ones, whatever. Yeah.
This is one of the other guns, but
The Tommy with the stock.
yeah. So there's the stock.
All right.
And I have a personal full auto mode. Is there anything else in here?
Oh, there's plenty in there. We use everything when we play. It doesn't matter what it is.
Okay, I'll pull everything out. We have a couple more of the zombie strike ones. Is the laser still on? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's done. He's still digging in the box, getting them all.
This is another one of those other things.
AccuStrike or N-Strike or what is it? I don't know what it is.
AccuStrike. Kind of poopy.
Sometimes it does.
It doesn't really
okay.
have a lot of force.
Yeah, sometimes it does okay. Sometimes it's not.
This is another shotgun.
What else we got?
This is a minigun.
Yep. Which we don't ever load it unless we're gonna use it because they all fall out.
Wait, hold on.
Who is that? Who makes that? Is that Adventure Force? Is that what it says on the side of it?
Yeah, this is Adventure Force.
Yeah. So we got Adventure Force and
There's
Nerf
one dart that's,
and some cheap ones.
poopy. So we're gonna take it.
You got one in it?
Yeah, there's one inside of
There it went.
it. There we go.
What else you got? Was that everything?
Yeah, that's everything. Well, there's a couple clips in here.
Yeah. Well, that only goes for the one gun. So.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. All right.
That's all.
Bye.